ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, yeah.
Hey guys, it is June, I think 25th. Is it? Yeah, June 25th. I'm about to go run some errands. I'm about to take these back. These are the broken ones I showed you guys. These are the broken ones that I showed you guys. The other ones are on their way, so I'm gonna take these back. I did end up ordering, and I'm going to take these back. Just take them back, because I ordered the big ones that I was looking for like the sugar and the flour, which comes in this one. This is the size that I wanted. I already have 2 that comes in here, and then I have 3 of these in the pantry already, so I don't need 8 of them. So I'm taking these 3 back, and I just ordered 2 of the big ones because they were on sale. I ordered that last night, and yeah, and I did end up ordering the cereal container because we really don't eat cereal. We eat hot breakfast for breakfast. The only person that do eat cereal is AJ, so I think those 2 containers would be like enough for that. Yeah, so I got a pickup order at Target. My kitchen looking hot mess, y'all. I got a pickup order at Target. I gotta go to Myers and grab some groceries, a little groceries, mainly breakfast food, because I don't really know what I'm going to cook for dinner this weekend. I probably think I'm gonna cook some crab balls, stuffed crab balls. I think I'm gonna cook that, but I gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook with it. So I'll see if my husband has some ideas. Yeah, so I'm gonna do, one thing I want to do is the crab stuffed balls with shrimp, and what else? I just don't know what I'm gonna cook for dinner. Like, y'all, I have no idea what I'm gonna cook for dinner, y'all. So today is a gloomy day again. It's just been raining non-stop for the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and I'm over it. Like, I had plans last weekend to get the kids out because we're trying to, you know, get out slowly but surely, because you know I'm not fully vaccinated, so we're trying to get out slowly but surely. But I definitely want them to get out, because they just, for the last year and a half, we just been at home. Like, we haven't been doing anything. Like, for holidays, we've been staying home. We just been at home for the main part. So I was gonna go to my auntie's house last week, but it was raining. This week I was gonna go there, but it's raining this weekend. So hopefully next weekend it would be a sunny, you know, vibe, a sunny day, okay? So we can like go out, you know, do some things in my auntie's town, and swim, go to her swimming pool, whatever, swim out there. Just do something fun. Like, I want to get the kids out and just have fun. Like, they've been cooped up in the house for a whole freaking year, and I just need them to get out and have some type of normalcy. Y'all, it's been a rough year and some months for all of us. You know, people lost loved ones, you know, I lost loved ones, so it's just been a rough year and some months. So we are at Myers, y'all, and usually I don't go to this Myers, but since it's raining, I don't feel like traveling to the Myers that I do go to. So we up in Myers. I gotta get some turkey links for the kids, And I like one of my Myers too. They always have stuff. They always be stocked. Other Myers, they be lacking. Cracking. Oh yeah, you know, I gotta go to Sam's Club too. I just forgot all about that. So I gotta go to Sam's Club too. And alright, yeah, Sam's Club. Then I gotta go to UPS to take those packages back. And yeah, so let's go. I gotta get some pancake mix. Excuse me. I gotta get some pancake mix. Because Maya been wanting pancakes for breakfast. She was on the French toast gang, but now she wants blueberry pancakes. So I gotta make sure I get some blueberries. And yeah, y'all, grab some eggs. Eggs that I get. Make sure I know that. And plus,
but they got baby load one time, then sit down in a class and report, then only said the road and me go on with the road. Oh, in a rise and post. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I go to the friends that take off baby load one time, then sit down in a class and report, then only said the road and me go on with the road.
this is why I like to go to the Myers that I'm used to going to, because they don't have what I'm looking for. Like I'm looking for I'm looking for some bubbles for the kids, but they don't have the brand I get. I think I'm gonna grab this one. Let me try this one. It's got vitamin E, aloe vera. I'm gonna try this one for now. What else do I need to get up here? Dental floss. Get some floss. I'm back from the store. I didn't go to Sam's Club because I just didn't feel like getting out of the car, so I got some more bread. I just put our bread and take it out of the package, put it in a Ziploc bag, and put it in the refrigerator. Got some powdered sugar, turkey sausages, bacon, toothpaste for the kids, some floss for when we make our cinnamon rolls, because we only have the floss, like the pick floss. Some satin scrunchies for Maya, some vanilla pancakes, hand wipes, bubble bath for the kids, whipped cream for the kids because they like whipped cream on their pancakes, butter for our cinnamon rolls, sour cream for our cinnamon rolls, some sponges to clean our sink out, dish soap, cinnamon, and this is what I use for our counters, and it was on sale for our granite counters for $1.74. So I got like 5 of them. I'm gonna go get some more because if you know anything about this, this part is like a $6, and usually I spend $6. Oh yeah, $6.99, so $7. These usually are $7, and it was on clearance for $1.74. I'm gonna go get some more because I know the Myers that I go to have a lot there, so I'm gonna go get some more probably tomorrow or Monday. Teddy grams for the kids, which I forgot to add the second one because I usually buy 2, some tea, some vitamin E so I can make the kids body butter, some yeast, eggs, flour. Yeah. So that's all that I got from the store. I didn't go to Sam's Club, didn't feel like going. I didn't go to Sam's Club because I didn't feel like getting out the car. It's rainy, it's gloomy. Like, I just wanted to get home. I did take those packages, but one of the one that I was returning didn't have, the slip didn't work, so I have to take it back tomorrow. But the other one did, so I returned that one. And that's it, y'all. I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. I think this vlog is kind of short, so it's gonna go into another vlog, just add it into another vlog. But yeah, that's it. It's gloomy, rainy. I'm about to take a shower and relax. And that's it, y'all. My kids watching Busy Beavers. Wow. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. Yeah. Oh, okay. You okay? You sure?
Okay. I didn't know my brother on my tape.
Okay, baby. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna put these groceries up and take a shower and relax with my kids. And that's it. What? No, mommy got her outside clothes on.
It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister.